In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a course selling web page on Payhip. Whether you're an educator, a coach, or just someone with a wealth of knowledge to share, creating an online course can be a rewarding way to reach a global audience and generate income. Plus, with Payhip, the process is straightforward and user-friendly. Let's walk through it together. First things first, head over to payhip.com. Here, you're going to need to either create a free account if you're new to Payhip or simply log in if you've used the platform before. It's important to have this account set up because it acts as the foundation for all the incredible work you'll be doing. Once you're logged in, it's time to start setting up your online store. Look for the Store tab, and from there, click on Launch Your Store Builder. This feature is fantastic because it gives you the flexibility to tailor your store just the way you want it. With the drag-and-drop editor, you can decide on the layout, choose your color schemes, pick the fonts you adore, and organize the content sections to really showcase who you are. For a truly professional look, consider adding sections like About, Testimonials, Blog, and Contact. These not only lend credibility, but also make it easy for potential students to connect with what you have to offer. Now, let's add your course as a product. Head over to the Products tab and click on Add New Product. Here, select Course as the product type. This is where you get to insert your course's title and add a description that highlights the unique value your course provides. Don't forget to upload any promotional images or even a teaser video to give potential students a glimpse of what they can expect. Under the Curriculum tab, this is the heart of your course. Structure it into sections and lessons, and feel free to include diverse lesson types like video content, text modules, quizzes, assignments, surveys, and downloadable files. Each type is a powerful tool to engage learners and ensure a comprehensive educational experience. Next, we need to figure out the pricing strategy. Navigate to the Pricing tab and click on Add Pricing Plan. Here, you can choose between a one-time payment, a subscription plan, or even a staggered payment option. Payhip's flexibility allows you to cater to various customer preferences, maximizing the potential reach of your course. Now, on to customizing your course's presentation. Under the Pages tab, you have the option to edit your course's sales page, the checkout page, and the thank you page. Craft some compelling copy, maybe add a few testimonials, and certainly include a clear call to action. These elements help guide potential students towards enrollment and increase conversions. Finally, once you're satisfied with how everything looks, click Publish to make your course live. Don't stop there. Share your course link on social media, through email newsletters, and on any other platform you can think of. To really spice things up, consider offering early bird discounts or limited-time promotions to encourage those early enrollments. There you have it. Thanks to Payhip, you're now ready to reach learners all around the world. Enjoy sharing your knowledge and watching your educational community grow.